Oh! That, ooh, I landed a bit harder than I thought. Okay, continue with the video. So, I know what you're thinking, and what you're thinking is, Stephen, that's a very stylish man bra you've got there. Which is what my wife refers to this chest rig as. But in fact, this is actually my favourite piece of outdoors kit that I've bought probably in the last year. A few people have asked me about it and I thought I'll make a quick video. So let me just take my pack off. I've noticed very few people wear these, and I think it's because it's kind of like the chest equivalent of a bum bag. What does that make it? A boob bag? I don't know. But this has been unbelievably handy, super handy addition to my outdoors kit, because it suddenly means that I can carry a huge amount of things that I need easy access to right on my front. I'm not trying to get down to those awkward little side straps that never hold enough. I'm not filling up my coat with stuff. I've got it right here on the front. And I open this up and I've got first pouch here, which I tend to put my phone in here. Close that. I open this one up, and in here I've got some sweets, I've got some snacks. There's a little holder there where you can put your car key, and then the main compartment at the back here. Now, I didn't actually have the kit I normally carry in this, but I've stuffed a pile of things in it just so you can see what I can get inside it. Currently I've got a bike lock, of all things, a microphone, and this microphone pack. So you see you can fit quite a lot of bulky stuff in the front there. But what I would typically carry in here, I would carry my phone, I would carry my GoPro, I'd carry my 360 camera, I would carry my map, my compass, things that I just need really handy access to. For me as an outdoors filmmaker, this has actually helped so much. I've carried like big lens, like a telephoto lens in here, and then I was able to swap my lenses without having to take it off. So I'll just take it off here. The whole thing comes apart, so it can sort of, if you're camping, it can turn into a little handy bag that you can bring into the tent with you. Let's take a closer look. So here's the front of it. It's made of this pretty strong fabric. It's not waterproof, but it is quite strong, and so it's pretty weather resistant anyway. It's got this fuzzy patch on the front, so you could like Velcro patches onto it. Open up the front. There you go. There's the first pouch. It's just a big cavern. And then the back pouch is divided up into multiple compartments. You got a couple of little netting sections here. You've got this large area here, and you've got another zipped pocket here. And it's got various loops on the sides here. You can hang extra kit, and these 3 loops at the bottom I've actually found really useful for storing like a really long invisible pole for a 360 camera. It just fits straight in there, and then when I use it I can just bring it out, attach my camera, and off I go. Whereas previously I was having to take my entire kit off, get it out of my backpack. This way I can just keep it right on the front there. And to put it on, you just attach straps, throw that over your head, reach around, grab the clip, and clip. Sat on a really pointy root. Should have brought something to sit on. Yeah, and that is pretty much it. This is the Osprey chest harness, the most useful piece of outdoor kit I have bought in the last year. Now, there are lots of other brands and other options when it comes to these. I'll maybe link a few in the description below. But I'd love to know, have you discovered the joy of the chest harness yet? Or do you think they're absolutely ridiculous and you would never be seen dead in wearing one? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this very short video, and if you did, I'd love a like, and if you want to subscribe, you can. But most importantly, don't just watch videos, actually get a chance to go outdoors. Maybe someday I'll catch you in the trails. Bye bye. And yes, I'm still missing the tooth.